Howdy y'all, welcome to part 3 of our One Piece hat building. Today we are going to work on Nico Robin in her Miss All Sunday outfit. I went a little simple with this. I didn't make the hat personally, so I got this off of Party City. If you haven't heard, Party City is closing. So what I recommend is going to your local one. I believe all of them will be closing by the end of February, which we're today as of the 22nd. So you have some time. Check your local Party City for cowboy hats. Other places that you can get it is Michael's, and I also believe Hobby Lobby as well. To make the string that's going to go through her hat, we are using a golden rat tail cord. You can find this in the jewelry sections of most stores, mainly in like the jewelry making. You're also going to need an Exacto knife, and essentially all we're doing is making small slits, just small enough to get the string into the hat. To start off the hat, you're going to find the middle of the back side. I like this hat because it has a trim, and then it basically shows you where the middle of the back of the hat is. We're going to be folding this down later, but to start, you start through the top. Then we're going to be spacing out every section in between. So if you can see in this area right here, you see the notches where the trim was sewn to the hat. Basically, how I'm going to space out the trim as it goes around the hat. Once you find your end, you're going to space out, I feel like every 4 little notches, so not the string itself but the holes. Every 4 holes, or every 4 holes. As you can see, this has a nice spacing between these two. And so we're going to basically make a slit in the hat going downwards like this. Every 4 slits of the holes. Okay y'all, I tested it again. I think I'm gonna make it about every 3 holes. Make sure that when you do the slits, they go in a downward motion, and you don't have to make them terribly big. Just make sure that you're keeping consistent with every 3 holes up until you get all the way around on the hat. I'll show you how it looks. As you can see, this is how the second loop came out. So you basically just repeat over and over and over till it's around the entire hat. Once you made it to the end, we're going to hide the last bit of it going towards the front. What we're going to do is essentially cut a little bit longer, so about here, than where the hat should stop. And basically underneath we're going to hot glue it down, so that way this part sort of blends into the rest of the hat. When cutting, make sure you cut at an angle, so when this hides under the other portion of the string, it sort of lays a lot flatter.